Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing really good. So students, today we are going to start chapter name write essay writing. ठीक है, तो अभी तक हमने इससे पहले प्रीवियस चैप्टर्स में पढ़ा था कि पैराग्राफ राइटिंग क्या करते हैं. पैराग्राफ राइटिंग क्या होती है, बहुत छोटी होती है, बहुत कंसंट्रेटेड होती है, उसमें ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन हम नहीं लिख सकते, टू द पॉइंट बातें लिखनी होती हैं. बट ऐसे राइटिंग जो है वो हमें एक ऑप्शन देती है कि हम अपनी चीज़ों को, अपने आइडियाज़ को और अच्छी तरीके से फैला के लिख सकें. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. ऐसे राइटिंग इज एन आर्ट. इट इज़ अ मेथड टू प्रेजेंट द राइटर आइडियाज़ एंड फैक्ट ऑन अ सब्जेक्ट इन अ sequential and logical manner and in a simple but emphatic language. An essay should begin with an introductory in which the topic introduced and it should end with a conclusion. So यहाँ पर क्या होता है, आपको एम्फेथेटिक लैंग्वेज का, सिंपल और एम्फेथेटिक लैंग्वेज का इस्तेमाल करना है. लॉजिकल मैनर्स होने चाहिए आपके, सीक्वेंस जो है वो बराबर बना रहना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि पहला पैराग्राफ कुछ कह रहा है, दूसरा कुछ कह रहा है, तीसरा कुछ कह रहा है. फ्लो में आना है. मतलब स्टार्टिंग आपने की इंट्रोडक्शन से, उसके बाद इंट्रोडक्शन के बाद उसके एडवांटेजेस, उसके बाद डिसएडवांटेजेस, उसके बाद उसका कंक्लूजन, इस तरह से. नाउ द फॉलोइंग पॉइंट मस्ट बी केप्ट इन द माइंड व्हाइल राइटिंग अ गुड essay. Number 1, it must focus on one theme and its development. Number 2, the idea should be in a certain order and not be arranged haphazardly. Number 3, essay should have a simple modern language. Number 4, avoid the use of lengthy sentence consisting of many clauses. Let your sentence be short and pithy. Number 5, an essay should be divided into neat paragraph, each paragraph arising naturally out of the early one and each giving a distinct idea which is generally an advancement of the idea expressed earlier. Number 6, proper attention should be given to the introductory and concluding paragraph. आप बीच के पैराग्राफ में क्या लिख रहे हैं, ठीक है, वो डिपेंड करता है आपका इंट्रोडक्टरी क्या है और आपका कंक्लूजन क्या निकल के आ रहा है. तो हमेशा इस चीज़ को ध्यान रखिएगा. कुछ सैम्पल ऐसे हैं जो मैं आपके लिए पढ़ लेती हूँ, आपको इसे ध्यान से सुनना है ताकि आप समझ सकें कि किस तरह से लिखे गए हैं. Essentials of education. Education aim at raising the intellectual tone of society. It gives an enlargement and sobriety to the idea of the age. It is education which give a man a clear, conscious view of his own opinion and judgment. The education teaches a man to see things as they are. It teaches him to go right to the point. An educated person can detect what is sophisticated and discard what is relevant. The education shows him how to accommodate himself to others. He has common ground with every class. He knows when to speak and when to be silent. He can ask a question pertinently and gain a lesson reasonable. He can listen to others when he has nothing to import. Education teaches a man when to be serious and when to be trifle. Education is a gift which serves a man in public and support him in retirement. India is a vast country with large population, though there has been rapid expansion of facility for education in the urban area. The rural area have remained neglected to the great extent. The government has decided to achieve the goal of universal elementary education for all children up to 14th year of age. This will bring a reform in the society. Very little attention is being paid to the education of adult. There is no doubt that a little education will generate much confidence among the adult who would find it useful in their occupational as well as general life. Therefore, education must be considered necessary and should be related to the needs of the bearer for their development and self-reliance. तो ये था आपका पैराग्राफ नंबर 1. नाउ हम नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ पे आते हैं, अपने नेक्स्ट ऐसे पे, मतलब द मार्केट सीन ऑन दिवाली. दिवाली में मार्केट सीन कैसा होता है, यहाँ पर वो एक्सप्लेन किया गया है. तो आप देखिएगा कि कैसे इसको सीक्वेंस में लेकर गए हैं, एक पैराग्राफ से दूसरे, दूसरे से तीसरे, तीसरे से कंक्लूजन पे. नाउ दिवाली इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑल ओवर. इट इज़ फेस्टिवल ऑफ लाइट, जॉय एंड gaiety. The preparation start week earlier. Houses are cleaned, whitewashed and decorated. Shops and market are decorated to receive the customer in every village and town. My town is no exceptions to it. On the last Diwali, my father was out of the town. He was expected to come by the mail train in the morning, but he failed to do so. In the afternoon, my mother asked my elder brother and me to go to the market and buy some sweets, fruits, and some other lamp and toy a picture of the goddesses Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha as a brass lampstand. When my brother and I reached marketplace, we noticed that cycling was not possible there. Many vendors have set up their stalls on footpath and were doing good business. Shops were richly decorated with paper bunting, pictures, and curtains. Showcases and almirahs were gaily polished and painted. Brassware and utensils dealers have arranged their wares in a beautiful manner. People were crowding these places. Some were making purchases while others were just watching. Some shopkeepers were using loudspeakers to boost up their sale. These loudspeakers are blaring out noisy music. We purchased a brass lampstand of rupee 30. Then we went to the sweet market. It looked as if the Diwali is a festival of halwai only. They had decorated their shop in the gayest possible manner. There we met many of our friends, but there was no time to stand and stare. So after making our purchases, we returned home. So यहाँ कंक्लूजन क्या निकलेगा? यहाँ कंक्लूजन ये निकलेगा ना कि आप इसको एंड करेंगे किस पर, कि हम घर वापस आ गए. क्या रीज़न था वो भी आपको बताया गया. दुकानें कैसे सजी हुई थी, क्या क्या चीज़ें थी वहाँ, यहाँ सब कुछ आपको एक्सप्लेन किया गया है. नेक्स्ट आते हैं मदर टेरेसा पे. सम पीपल आर बॉर्न टू सर्व मैनकाइंड. वन ऑफ देम वाज मदर टेरेसा. शी वाज बॉर्न एट स्कोप्जे इन Yugoslavia on 26 August 1910. She wanted to serve the poor in India, so she came here at the age of 18. Mother Teresa taught at St. Mary's High School in Calcutta, now Kolkata, from 1929 to 1948. She was moved by the suffering and poverty of the people. So she left the convent school and devoted herself to work for the poor people in the slums of Kolkata. She had no money, so she started an open air school for homeless children. Other people also come to help. On 7 October 1950, she founded the Missionary of Charity. This missionary still works for the welfare of the poor. It has many trained doctors, nurses, and social workers. It also helps the poor in the case of flood, epidemic, famines, and so on. Mother Teresa was 50 relief projects in India. These work among slum dwellers, children homes, homes for the dying, clinic, and the leper colony. The missionary also undertake relief work for the poorest of the people, poor in a number of countries in Africa, Asia, and Latin America, and has done marvelous work there. In recognition of her services, Mother Teresa has received a number of awards and distinctions by different countries and organizations of the world. She received the Bharat Ratna in 1980s and the Nobel Prize of Peace in 1979. So, Mother Teresa died in October 1997. So, यहाँ पर बताएगा कि मैं जो कुछ लोग होते हैं वो जन्मते ही इसीलिए हैं, जन्म ही उनका इसलिए होता है ताकि वो मैनकाइंड मतलब ह्यूमंस के लिए कुछ कर सकें. वैसे ही उनमें से एक थी मदर टेरेसा. वो कब बॉर्न हुई, कहाँ बॉर्न हुई, कैसे बॉर्न हुई, क्या किया उन्होंने, वो इंडिया कैसे आई जबकि वो यूगोस्लाविया में पैदा हुई थी, वो इंडिया कैसे आई, उन्होंने पढ़ाई कैसे शुरू की, कब ख़त्म की, और उन्होंने कैसे इतनी सारी मिशनरीज ओपन की, उन्होंने कैसे चैरिटी शुरू की, किस किस लोगों की मदद की, और अंत में उन्होंने बताया कि उनके इस काम के लिए उन्हें भारत रत्न और नोबेल प्राइज़ ऑफ पीस भी मिला, और अंत में वो अक्टूबर 1997 में उनका देहांत हो गया. ठीक है, तो ये था आपके लिए एक और पैराग्राफ. अब आते हैं माई मदर पर. द नेम ऑफ माई मदर इज़, यहाँ आप अपनी मदर का नाम लिखेंगे. शी इज़ डैश ईयर ओल्ड. यहाँ पर अपनी मदर की एज लिखेंगे. शी इज़ द पर्सन अराउंड whom all other member of the house revolve. She is there whenever any of us need her help. My mother belonged to a respectable family of Allahabad. Her father was a doctor and her mother was a teacher. My mother rises early in the morning. She take a bath and worship God. She broom the whole house thoroughly when we get up. She make us take physical exercise, get ready for school, and comes to the outside gate to bid us goodbye when we go out. After this, she helped my father get ready for work. After all family members have left, she cleaned the house and set it in the order. Then she sat down to prepare our lunch. In the evening, she not only cooked delicious food but also managed to take time out to sit with us and tell stories. My mother passes her free time regarding books, reading books and magazines. Her favorite magazine is The Woman Era. In the afternoon, she sits with other women of the locality. She is much respected in the neighborhood. My mother also helps me in my homework. She tells me stories and how to do right things on the right time. My mother is an ideal mother and I am proud of her. तो यहाँ पर एक मदर क्या क्या करती हैं सारे दिन में. आपकी मदर अगर वर्किंग है तो आप इसमें कुछ चेंजेस भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो ये एक मदर पे पैराग्राफ या ऐसे था जिसमें उनके बारे में सारी डिटेल्स थी. अब आते हैं हम नेक्स्ट माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड पर. I have many friends. I have good friendship with them all. However, I think Mohini is my best friend. She studies in my class and we share a common desk. She lives not far away from my house. She is very beautiful. Besides, she is a fine individual. Her face is always glows with a warm smile for all. Mohini's father works with a bank. Her mother is a housewife. Mohini is brilliant, disciplined and well-mannered student. She always dresses in clean and well-ironed clothes. Her nails are well trimmed and her hair well dressed. She completes her homework on time. She is a fine sports person too. She takes active part in running. Last year she stood first in 800-meter race at the district level. She also takes part in extracurricular activities. She is the secretary of cultural club of the school. She also has the hobby of gardening. Mohini has warm personality. She wins new friend in no time. Her hard work and good manners have won her many friends. All teachers, students and friends admire her. Mohini and I do many things together. We go to school together and take part in various activities together. She is always ready to sacrifice her comfort for others' sake. She has come to my help many times. वो मेरे पास कई बार मदद के लिए भी आती है, मेरी मदद के लिए. आई कैन से दैट शी इज़ माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड. सो यहाँ एक इंसान के अंदर क्या क्वालिटी होती है, आप भी अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड के बारे में ऐसा एक पैराग्राफ लिख सकते हैं. आप हो सकता है इसमें से बहुत सी चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जो आपके फ्रेंड के अंदर नहीं हो, और हो सकता है ऐसी बहुत सी चीज़ें हो जिसके पार्ट भी जाकर आप अपने फ्रेंड के बारे में लिख सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट हमारा जो पैराग्राफ है या हमारा जो ऐसे है वो है द टेलीफोन. द टेलीफोन. There are several types of means of communication in modern times such as telegram, email, letters, etc. We can use any one of them to communicate our needs, thoughts and feelings to others. But telephone has become very popular in the modern time. The importance of telephone lies in the fact that we can directly talk to the person to whom we need to pass a message. It takes some time if we send messages using other means. Also, we have to wait for the other person to reply, but using telephone we can know the response of the person immediately. A telephone instrument has several buttons on it inscribed with numbers 0 to 9 and few other buttons too. We can dial our desired number by pressing the button one after the other. Now telephone instruments have more facilities such as redial, hold, memory, SMS, etc. We can also know who has dialed us. We dialed the number of the person to whom we want to talk. If somebody wants to talk to us, he dials our number. When our telephone rings, we come to know that someone wants to talk to us. Increasing presence of telephones in our home, offices, shops and market tell the importance of this medium. It is very handy and inexpensive. It has become even more popular with the invention of mobile phone. Now we can see many people carrying mobile phone in their pocket wherever they go. The telephone has become a day-to-day need. We can see it all around us today. So यहाँ पर टेलीफोन की क्या ज़रूरत थी, क्यों ज़रूरत थी, ये सारी चीज़ें इसमें एक्सप्लेन की गई हैं. अब आपके पास असेसमेंट जोन में क्या है, असेसमेंट जोन में आपको दिए गए हैं कुछ टॉपिक्स. Write essay on the following topic: a rainy day, a journey by bus, a drowning accident, school, our school library, a fire accident, a visit to a big city, a long journey, the game I like the most, a strike in our school, a visit to a museum, urban and rural life, if I were the principal of my school, the life of a great man, if I were the principal of my school, and how you spend the summer vacation, the most ideal student of my school. सो ये टॉपिक्स दिए गए हैं आपको जिन पे आपको लिखना क्या है, एक ऐसे। तो यहाँ हमारा चैप्टर होता है एंड। होपफुली आप समझ गए होंगे, आपके पास बहुत सारे ऑप्शन हैं, आप इनको पढ़ के भी अपना ऐसे जो है वो लिख सकते हैं।